Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic flows, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So we have to first visit the task and projects. After visiting task and project, we have to click on the flows, and I will tell you what is the flow. The flow you can collect the tasks that come from different departments. If an employee need to install a program on the work computer, it is enough to add the task to the system administrator flow. All tasks will be distributed among responsible peoples. So what are the features? You can collect the task in one place and distribute them among assignees. You can monitor the workload of employee. You can track the speed of task completion. You can find the problem areas. So how to create a flow? We have to just click on the new flow. Here we have to add the name. Here we have to mention the description. Then we have to add the employee who will be able to set task in the flow. And here we have to add the completion time, the planned completion time, which we can mention in the days, the month, and the hour. So here we mention the two. So here we have to select the method of the task distribution, how we have to distribute the task. We have to distribute in the queue manner. We have to distribute it manually. We have to distribute it self-assigned. The person assigned on their own. And here we have to add the project. So we add the queue. Here we have to add the team members like I am adding. So we have to just click on the next option, and lastly we have to click on the create flow cluster. Here we have to add the project. So we are adding the project. So our flow is created, and you can check over here. We have created the flow, the test 12, and here we can create the task and assign, and the task will be assigned automatically in the queue manner as we have selected the participants. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.